That looks like a policeman. That is definitely an unmarked police biker. You can always tell because they have white helmets and they wear high vis and they have a radio. I really want to pull it up here by the petrol station, just let that police biker go past.
It's a cop. It's a cop.
Go on, Gabby. What's up, guys? We're back! We're back. First ride of 2018, sons! Gabby's on her BMW. I'm on the Ninjitsu. We haven't ridden in about a month or so for multiple reasons. Number one being that we were obviously away for our Christmas holidays. Two is that the weather's been absolutely shit and that guy just pulled right in front of Gabby. What a twat. And third is that like my bike has had some technical difficulties. Alright? Basically my bike has sprung an oil leak, a little one, which I didn't really know, it probably was there for a little bit, but we found it on the rocker cover gasket. Thankfully though, is that it was time for a valve clearance check on my bike too, and when you do the valve clearances, that gasket has to be replaced. Oh, she's going mad. That gasket needs to be replaced, so we did that. Over the course of about a week, my friend helped me did the valves clearances and replaced a couple gaskets and a couple rubber seals which were supposedly going to be leaking oil and whatnot. And the valve clearances were completely in spec, man. I know I'm all singing, all dancing about how great the 636 is and how good the engine is, but like reliability wise, man, these fucking bad boys are bulletproof, eh? Before me, this bike had never done any servicing history whatsoever, and because of that I managed to get it for quite a good deal. And I've done all the servicing myself, so all the bits and bobs that have been done, but this was the most major service we've done on it. And so basically usually the valves are needed to be done at 15,000 miles. The valves need to be done at 15,000 and then they need to be done I think around 30, I'm not entirely sure. But because they've never been done, I was really worried about the bike. It's not a cheap service at all. It's the major service, it's the major service. She's waiting for me. I'm a happy bunny. Even though it's never been done, the valves are all in spec. It's incredible. Oh god, I was so happy because if you do need to do the adjustments, it is already a pain in the ass to get to the valves and to check the clearances, but it's an even massive more pain in the ass, like a hernia, to basically actually adjust. We replaced the air filter as well because holy fuck, man, that thing was just gunked up to shit. I mean mad, absolutely mad amount of crap on my air filter. So we replaced, I think it was a stock one as well, so we replaced that one with a aftermarket one. It's called the Sim Motor. It's supposed to increase the airflow and give you more horsepowers. And I can honestly feel that. I can really feel it. It does give it a lot more boost. It's actually nuts. More air equals more fuel equals more powers. And it feels so good. I'm so happy with it. I kind of want her to be in front of me because I like to make sure she's alright. I don't like her to be behind me. Oh, speed camera van. Hello, pumpkin. Look at that cheeky little fucker. There she is. Really dangerous, holy shit. She looks so damn good. Woo-hoo. And we've also been planning the wedding as well. Like me and Gabby are on, Gabby's on it, man. She's like my wedding planner. I love it. I just let her do all her bits. She just like comes to me when she wants to talk about the budget. I love it. That's a perfect woman right there, man. I got these cool new gloves. Well, these are one of my Christmas presents from Gabby. I love it, man. They're richer racing gloves. They're not winter gloves, so my fingers are a little bit chilly now. But like, they look awesome, man. How cool they do. How cool are they? And they fit my my race suit as well, so black and white with the stripes. Same brand, all that stuff, man. I love them. Like really good leather, like really good grip as well, fantastic. And the knuckle protection and wrist protection and the straps all work really well together. I love them. The only set of gloves I really owned were my RST blades, and they're awesome gloves. Like I've put probably like 20,000 miles on those bad boys, and they are flawless, man. I haven't had any issues with them. The only issue I've had is that the Velcro slightly comes off, but other than that, they're fucking awesome. Like 20,000 miles, and there's no like thinning of the leather or any of that shit. Oh man, it's getting chilly as we get down to Berry Hill. Oh my god. I've missed this so much. It's crazy. Like, I was having such bad withdrawal symptoms of getting on a bike. I was just like, I need my bike back. So obviously it needed all the work done and all that stuff. So that looks like a policeman. That is definitely a unmarked police biker. You can always tell because they have white helmets and they wear high vis and they have a radio. Holy fuck, I got none of that by some Harley riders. Today is a good day. I really want to pull it up here by the petrol station, just let that police biker go past. Because you never know. Oh shit. Just wanted to have a check on your brake pad thing. Yeah, it's going to be colder to go that way. Should we turn around? Yeah, I think so too. Really? Honey? Please.
It's a cop? It's a cop? Are you serious? Is he stopping you?
No.
How do you know it's a cop?
I've seen him before.
But is he on duty?
Yeah. Like unmarked one.
Oh my god. It's full of cops today.
You see like the speed camera van as well. Yeah. They always do that. They always park just on the side.
Something wrong?
No, nothing. Nothing. Seriously, man. Don't worry. Is it hurting that bad?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, he's gone. And I noticed him because I've seen him before with his lights on, because they all ride like the big kind of bikes, like, and I've seen him before with his lights on, and with a cop, even if it's unmarked, they have like a white helmet, high vis jacket, and a little radio here, and I was like, that's a policeman. And I saw him pull out when we were going down the road. That's why I was like, boom, straight on the speed limit like the whole way. He stopped here because I think he was checking our registrations.
Was he?
Yeah. He stopped.
He was checking everything.
Yeah, he has like a little thing and they can put it in to check your registration to see you have like MOT and insurance and all that stuff.
What the fuck?
It's not that bad.
We haven't done anything wrong. Why would he check us?
Because they're just their job, man. They're out to check. Like they have like they have like a thing at the moment, like where they're checking loads of bikes and stuff like that. You don't see he stopped and like got his little pen out and was going like that. Because what else was he doing? Like why did he stop there when we stopped here, you know?
Yeah. Do you think he was going to follow us?
I think he was going to follow us, yeah. Do you want to warm up your fingers a bit more and then go?
But literally like the pain, not like this. The
No.
pain is like if a hammer, if a hammer would have hit me, baby.
Or like,
It stresses me out that there's so many police.
we're going to have a little coffee or something at McDonald's or something, you know, because we're classy people. We're classy bitches. But at the end of the day, I'm happy to be out on the bikes. I'm happy to give the bikes a run, and I'm happy as hell to make a video for you guys, because I miss this, man. Like, oh god, I miss making videos. That's why fucking winter sucks dick. Wonder if that speed camera van's gonna be back up there. Like, I have loads of respect for the cops, but what I don't have is respect for police camera van. Looks like he's on his test. Hello, hello. There it is! Mwah, mwah. Well, we've had an interesting day today with the police and the speed people. Oh goodness. So there are these two guys riding R1s over there, and look where they put their number plates. You can't actually fucking see them. Each to their own, I tell you. Okay. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Peace and love to you all. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. More videos will be coming as the weather gets warmer, guys, and exciting things are happening. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, my moose play.